Nyt menee. Hakkaa jo.
Meneekö se vettä pitkin?
Menee.
Ei se mene sen toiselle puolelle.
Menee toiselle puolelle.
Se astuu, se on siellä.
Se on ihan...
No 4 HP.
Nyt se rupes hakkaamaan jamia.
Mulla on 3 HP.
Miksi menee takas toiselle puolelle?
Nyt koppa.
Mikä on Zeta?
No 1 HP.
Mitä vittua? Lol, paskinen.
Missä se on?
Mulla on... Zeta... D100.
Zeta on 100.
Niin.
Eli Saxon.
Ei hyvä noppa. X... 400.
Onks Zeta 100? Olisiko ei ollut ravine?
Eikö mulla on jarru?
Mä en voi juosta enää. Mä käännyn.
Rikko! Mitä on tukkata?
Olet saapunut maailman heille. Oh. Mä voin tapaa sen. Joo. Se tulee takaisin niska.
Se tulee.
Minne päin?
Nyt se on 4 HP.
Mikä Zeta?
Ei! 90.
Entäs X?
Mä voin katsoa. Se on tullut. Ei! Tuli mä levi.
Lupa.
Mä oon mulle tullut koko ajan.
Supernat.
I wanted to be your DJ, make my first smash up and kept that shit on replay. Wanted to rap, so I got a mic for my B-day. I made some money just by selling shit on eBay. Yeah, I recorded tracks in my closet on a USB microphone with a couple socks on it. Put a new track up and got a couple people watching. Now thousands of people anticipate when I drop shit. Asking for feedback, posting shit on forums. 99% of people would see my posts and ignore them. Music was my hobby that just started out of boredom. Writing down my feelings that I would just record them. I made business cards and kids ripped them up. I spent an hour of my time trying to pick them up. So if you doubting yourself, thinking about giving up, look at me now, man, this isn't where I pictured us, but it's where we're at.
No lol, joku vei mun idon.
That's real. It's such a shame for us to part. It is. I gotta take y'all back.
Onko tuolla Jeppe saa
Like this.
Ja nyt toi petti.
Oh, take me back to the start. Me and my closest friends, we went our separate ways. I was busy with music, I didn't leave the house for days. I withstood a substantial amount of hate. Suburban white rap, where I felt really out of place. Yeah, I tried hard to keep my head up. Haters knocked me down, but I knew I had to get up. Overcoming struggles, but I was constantly fed up. Got my umbrella, cause I knew that the rain wouldn't let up. Constantly was told that I need to grow up. Then I did my first show, people came and they showed love. No name a year ago, in a sense that I'm blown up. Girls was embarrassed to be with me, so we broke up. But I didn't let it get to me. My biggest fans used to be the ones who messed with me. Gave up on school, parents started thinking less of me. Rose above my struggles and now they just faded memories. Yeah, and that's real talk. It's such a shame.
Vähän voi... No en mä tiedä, käykö se teillä.
Mikä?
Mulla olisi hume siellä teillä, sit on hume täällä.
Ei pysty.
Ei.
Sitä paitsi sä et oo... ja tiedätkö mitä? Mistä? Et pysty. Et oo pilli.
Tavallisilla voi olla 2 homea ja home bed.
Ei, mä en pysty ainakaan. Mä en pysty tekemään yhden homman.
And I'm not trying to be cocky when I say what I'm saying. I just hate seeing people think they can't accomplish their goals, you feel me? Cause I'm walking, living, breathing proof. Everything I said was the truth.
Miten sä oikeesti jaksat asua niitten hemmettien kanssa?
You guys get the point.
Don't
ever give up.
No niin. Mitä?
Follow your dreams.
Mitä?
Ei tule 2 V.
Mä säikähin, kun mä oon yhden kotona ja koira tulee tästä ovesta, on tällä
Mörppö.
Onks teillä muuten lassia?
Ei mis tuttiin saumaa?
Mulla ei oo lassia, mä haluan STR tehdä ja speed.
Voisitko tulla ottaa muu?
Sipen sä oot.
No en mä mennä mennä. Kiska. Kiska.
No?
Anna mulle vähän raakaa puuta.
Ai, raakapuuta.
Jos sulla ois.
On mulla. Toi kuulosti niin tyhmälle. Mä menen nukkumaan.
Hyvästi.